Good night everyone, my name is Claudia Flores. I belong to course Material Design for Virtual Environments. This is the step number 2. In this video I'm going to speak about the tools on virtual environments. The tool that I choose is the UV. What is the UV and how you can make a video learning? UV is a website to share videos. If you want to make a video educate, first you should choose a camera with microphone for recording your video. Should choose a place according to the chosen topic. Then if you're going to make change, you can use other tools like Windows Movie Maker, or you can use other tools like Google Storyboarder that are of created videos, story, and finally can publish it on YouTube. The YouTube is used for public videos. In this case, you get started clicks the uploads on icon, and then you start uploading the video that you have take of the desk. In this part, you can start uploading the video. You should if public or private video. And the step number 1, if you do click on the icon publishing, you will have the direction where you can see this video in this part. If you use TV for showing terms for the students, you will can find the shape of to generate debates. The videos should be short of 3 or 6 minutes. Is the part is very important, because if the video is very long, the students don't concentrate. Some videos that you can use are the National Geographic video with these times are very interesting. That it will them to have some contact with the real English. You can use the BBC, Channel 4, etc. The YouTube is very important for share information with the students. If you use YouTube for show videos about of the celebration, you will have the possibilities of use sentences and vocabulary common, where you can use them seen in the classes. Of the same way, you can use videos about routines or organize people of working in class with the students. Some accessories that you can use in the class are Envel Plus. Is application that allows you could sense to make a slow motion and advance in video, which greatly facilitate the work with the student through to be. Other application is Wash Together. Is you can synchronize a workgroup of the students to watch an online video and exchange ideas through chat. Dragon Tape is an application that allows us to combine videos, creating single link to share. In this case, I think then you can use a video about a specific theme, and then you can you can have a video for some explication about something. Dagon theme is no more. This is all explication about YouTube. Thank you for your attention.